Right, part 2. I accidentally paused the video. I accidentally stopped the video. I was meant to, my fingers pressed the blooming button by mistake. I was hoping to make it one long video, but my fault, so this will be part 2. We'll watch this train go and then we'll go back on the centre platform. Oh, is that another one just coming in? Oh no, is it going? Is it coming? I can't go because it's got a red light. What are you shouting for? Ruining it. Oh, what a horn. Oh no, that one is going. So I've got 60% of video left, so. Right, let's go back to, let's go and try and catch that one going. Oh, I'm quite angry about that really. I was hoping for a one long video, but living stopped it by accident. Anyway, that one's not going, is it? Right, there we are, let Voyager and Pendolino going off together. Ish. Right, go on then, let's go and let's go. What? Direct rail services. I'm not sure when he'll be going, but there is someone in there, so. Oh, look, there's another one there, look. You can just see there. Right, let's. I don't know, well, if we hurry up and get to the other side, we'll see it go. How many carriages it got? Looks like I'll have 8 by the way it's going down to the end of the platform. Oh no, 4. Right, let's quickly go. Oh, there's the steps there. Getting funny looks again, Daniel. No, that's not the way. No, where's that way? Oh, there's a way up there. Cross my fingers? Why am I crossing my fingers for? Oh, toilets. What? Toilet locked. Oh. What'd you say? Coast? Avanti what?
West Coast.
Yeah, you said toast then a minute ago. Right, down here. 5. Oh, it's late, so that's good for us. That's late, so it's good. Oh, it's like a first class lounge, look. Look. No, I'm not. I'm just seeing what it's looking. Oh. It's a shame, really. Wouldn't mind seeing what it was like inside. Oh, you got to type in a code to get in. Getting weird looks again, Daniel. Oh well. Like I say before, I don't care. Right, let's pause this and get to the end, shall we? I've got to stop here, Daniel, because the shelter doesn't exist there. Look, there's your old carriages there, look. No, he's down there, Daniel. Oh, there he is, yeah, there. Are we?
What do you think?
So he's coming in now?
London Euston.
Yeah, it's going to London, that. There we go. I would go down to the end, Daniel, but it's blimmin' raining. And there's another one coming as well. We'll quick go down there when it changes colour. Oh, that's quick, going already. Green light. Looks of it, that one will be going there as well, a minute. What? What? Oh, there's another one coming. Oh yeah, he's got his green light, orangey light as well. So you wave, you got to wave at both of them because they're both going. I'll wave at him as well if you get time. Oh, both green lights now. You might not see him because he'll block the path of the other one. You start waving at both of them. Wave at both of them. There we go, yeah. That one. And you got that one there, look. You keep waving. He might not see you from there. Nah. There we go. Well, he did see it because they've just waved at each other, but don't worry about it though.
Oh!
Well, I know, I got, is he going as well, is he? Hey? Don't what? Oh, is it? And then you got that one there? That's just arrived. That's going to Glasgow, Daniel. Do you reckon we can run down the end and wave him off? Yeah, let's go.
How many countries is this one?
I don't know. Literally, this one's just gone. It's like a minute later. This is in. I think it was waiting down there. And what's this? Oh, this is only a 5. So this will stop. This will stop where we are.
Where's it going?
It tells you on the front where it's going to go. So you look on the front. What's it say? I can't read from here.
New Street.
Birmingham New Street, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. Blooming out, it's like going already. Got another train spotter there. Right, here we go. He's going now. He's going now. You got to stand behind the yellow line because I've just been politely shouted at. If that makes sense. Ready? Here he goes. You waving, good boy. Oh yeah, he's waved at you. He can't do his horn in here because it might scare people. Oh, you got another one coming in as well. You got 2 coming in the distance. No line. Oh, that's that will be coming in here, I think. All the trains are queuing up. Literally 2 minutes time, there'll be another one here. So there's been like 3 on this side within 5 minutes. Where's he going? Is he going into the dead end stop? Yeah, it's a dead end stop.
Where's it going?
Hang on.
This one's going Milton Keynes.
See that train goes to London Euston, but that stops at loads and loads of stations. So platform 11. It's over there. Yeah, that takes ages to get to London because it stops at tons of. Look at that! Look, 8 carriages, literally just. Look. See, look, 8 carriages just literally squeezes in on the length of the platform. Right, let's Oh, here we are. Look, you got your Transport for Wales train here. See, Shrewsbury is its next stop, so it's got quite a way to go. Where's the number 2 stop? I don't know. Hey? Oh, there's another one. Yeah, you see the sign there? That's where it's telling you it's going. We've got another one, haven't we? Yeah. Is there? What time's that? Oh, I'll be gone by then. See it? Look. Look.
Is that the other train in Halfway?
Hey?
Is that the other?
Oh, we'll be near enough home at R3, mate.
Just go home at 10 o'clock.
No.
So you can see that diesel train. It's going now.
That one's gone now.
Look, it's going now.
What?
You go down there.
Who go what where?
You go down there.
Right, we'll see a few more trains and then we'll then that'll do us then.
Platform 7 for the 11:30 London Northwest.
Yeah, he's going now. No, he won't do the horn in here, mate.
Wow.
Because they only do it at the end of the platform, really. I think that 8 carriage one will go now. Well, that one there.
Where am I?
Just watch a couple more, and then we'll.
We are sorry that the 11:04 Transport for Wales service to Chester is delayed by approximately 20
What's that mean?
minutes. We are
Just like tapped her phone on that circle thing. I don't know. Right. Oh yeah, that train. When does that train go? I don't know. We'll just watch a couple more and then we'll leave it then.
What are they?
These are the different sections of platform to where you want to get on the train. See, that says number 3 there. That says number 3 there. So if you go to number 3 here, that's where that coach of the train will be. And that coach of the train, I assume. Look, that's where we are.
Where?
We're there.
And that's the bus pool.
This train is full of 8 coaches. Due to short platforms,
Oh, look, that train's going now.
and Smith Porton Bridge should board the front 4 coaches.
Look, you see it?
Can you open this up? Because
Oh, yeah, I'll open in a minute.
the train coming now.
Is there one on this side?
Yeah.
Don't start, please.
Oh, no, it's on the other side. It's on
Oh, sorry, I'm just waving around with my.
platform 7, this train is.
What? There's another one, is there? Hang on,
Yeah,
just.
platform 7.
Oh, there we go. There's another one.
Norman. Is it Norman? Hi, Norman. I've done it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, mate.
Oh, hang on. I'm having a crap camera angles.
What the fuck is this?
Shut up.
What is it?
So yeah, 8 carriages just left and an 8 carriages just arrived. London North Western Railway. That's it. Northern ones are the blue ones. And you can just see in the distance there the Avanti West Coast train. If we can just...
Ew. Yeah, and hold your hope on there.
Well, that's just cost me like $1.75 and you don't want it. Well, you'd have to wait in a minute, because I'm not paying... You have to wait a minute. You have to wait. That's that train, Daniel. If you can just see, that's that intercity ABP thing.
This is a platform.
Just see it there in the
alteration.
distance.
The 1057 Transport for Wales
Hey, I'm
service
videoing.
from Chester.
That's
will
the
now
old
arrive at platform
APT train. Oh,
Where's it going?
Platform 5 for the 1123 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston.
let's go down here. Let's go down here.
Milton Keynes Central of 9 coaches.
Another one's just arrived.
We're gonna touch it.
No, it's on a different. That's platform 11. That's on. Ah, and that one's just. Hang on, let's just turn around. Yeah, that one's just left. All right, yeah, you start waving then.
Where is it from?
That the first available train from Chester will be
Oh.
1127.
I don't know, mate.
It's not coming.
All right, we're going. Well, we'll go now. Yeah.
Well, I need to get food.
Yeah, we'll go and get a drink and food. So
Can we eat inside?
no, I don't know.
Yeah, I'll eat food.
Well, yeah, we'll call it a day now. There we go.